All hope for Harley-Davidson is not lost in India. Recently, we had covered the news that Harley-Davidson will soon be exiting the Indian market. Now, news has come that the US motorcycle giant might not withdraw after all and is seeking partners in India for collaboration. Hero MotoCorp is the leading contender for this collaboration. However, there is also news that Harley-Davidson is considering Classic Legends and Bajaj Auto for this role. What is the reason behind this move? What are the relative strengths and weaknesses of these auto brands shortlisted by Harley, and what it means for the planned sub 500cc Harley-Davidson? To know the answers to all these questions, keep watching the video. You are watching SOFE2. Harley-Davidson has been losing money in India and has performed below par in the last decade of its presence in India. The global pandemic has only added to its woes. Under the Rewire strategy, Harley-Davidson had decided to pull out of low-performing markets. That being said, all hope is not lost for Harley lovers in India. Looking at the success of Triumph, KTM and BMW Motorrad, Harley-Davidson is looking out for a similar setup in India. As we know that Triumph and KTM have a manufacturing tie-up with Bajaj Auto, whereas BMW Motorrad is partnering with TVS. These partnerships have enabled the international motorcycle manufacturers to keep the balance between cost and quality. With a right partner, Harley-Davidson would be able to drive down its fixed costs and accelerate sourcing process of its upcoming entry-level products. Continuing production on its own will make it challenging for the brand to achieve the scale required to arrive at a competitive price point. Harley-Davidson therefore is looking for a contract manufacturing partner in India who has adequate production capacity and well-established vendor base. The names that are speculated as being obvious choices for Harley-Davidson are Bajaj Auto, Mahindra & Mahindra subsidiary Classic Legends and Hero MotoCorp. Sources said that Bajaj Auto is already laden with premium partners such as Triumph and KTM. It may therefore not be the ideal partner. Bajaj Auto CMD Rajiv Bajaj refused to make any comments on the matter. Classic Legends, the maker of Java motorcycles, is focusing on medium displacement premium motorcycles and has ample production capacity at its disposal. On paper, it appears to be a viable partner for Harley-Davidson, but the company has been struggling with delivery timelines and quality issues. Harley-Davidson can't afford to face a similar problem with its volume-oriented entry-level products that primarily target India and India-like markets in Asia. Mahindra Group is still too mature as a two-wheeler company and may not augur well as a long-term credible partner. Spokespeople of Mahindra Group did not make any comments about their negotiation process with Harley-Davidson. Hero MotoCorp is the largest two-wheeler manufacturer in the world. It is interested in establishing a presence in premium segment and thus emerges as an interesting option for Harley-Davidson. Hero had a 26-year-old partnership with Japan's Honda, which speaks volumes about its ability to continue successfully with a different company. Hero MotoCorp has previously gone on record to state that it is open to partnership with global brands to explore the medium displacement motorcycle segment. The Indian two-wheeler giant has a comfortable market leadership in the commuter motorcycle segment, but has zero presence in medium displacement space, and this would change with Harley-Davidson's partnership. Last year, Harley-Davidson had partnered with China's Qianjiang Motorcycle Company, the makers of Benelli motorcycles, to build a smaller 250 to 500cc motorcycle. The bike would have specifically been introduced to target the Asian markets. However, keeping in mind the strained relations between India and China, Harley-Davidson might decide to move the manufacturing of this motorcycle to India. Thus, we would soon be having sub 500cc Make in India Harley-Davidson motorcycles on the Indian streets. Who do you think will eventually clinch the deal? Will it be Hero, Mahindra or Bajaj, or will it be some other company? What is your opinion about a sub 500cc Harley-Davidson? Would it have tires, suspension and engine specifically built keeping Indian road conditions in mind? Tell me what is your opinion in the comment section below. We will be back with further news and updates on the latest in the motorcycling world. Until then, peace out.